Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how you can enable and use YouTube Premiere, a fantastic feature that allows you to schedule and debut your videos with all the excitement of a live stream. So, let's dive right in. To start, open up your YouTube Studio. You can access it by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand side and click on Content. This will take you to the Content Management area. Here, you'll find all your uploaded videos. Locate the video you want to premiere and hover your cursor over it. A three-dot menu will appear on the right side of the video thumbnail. Click on those three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Premiere. This will take you to the Premiere settings, where you can customize your Premiere experience. In the Premiere settings, you can choose the date and time when you want your video to premiere. This is the moment when your video will be available to the public for the first time. It's essential to select a date and time that suits your audience's preferences and maximizes engagement. You can also customize your premiere by adding a title, description, and tags. This will inform viewers about your video before it goes live and help them find it easier in search results. Another neat feature of YouTube Premiere is the ability to create a countdown video or trailer to build up anticipation. Simply click on Upload a video or create a trailer, and follow the prompts to create an exciting teaser for your premiere. Once you've set everything up to your liking, click on the Premiere button at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will schedule your video premiere, and it will appear in your Premieres section. Now, when the scheduled premiere time arrives, a live chat will open alongside your video. This chat enables you to interact with viewers in real time, just like in a live stream. You can engage with the audience, answer questions, and generate excitement as viewers watch your video together. It's a fantastic way to build a sense of community and create buzz around your content. That's all there is to it. By using YouTube Premiere, you can elevate the launch of your videos and make them more memorable for your audience. So, go ahead and give it a try. Start scheduling your premieres and get ready to captivate your viewers like never before. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.